Here's how to loop a video in Canva. Left click on your video, then in the top toolbar click on playback and toggle on the option play on repeat. Now when you play your video, let me just scroll forward a little bit, you will see that once it ends, it will loop again. Now there are a couple of things to note. First of all, when you preview your video by going to the preview button right here and then play it from there, you will actually see that your video will simply not loop. However, when you close that, and then when you go to share in the upper right corner of the screen, and then go to present, and then click on present again to start the presentation, you will actually find that your video loops fine. So in conclusion, when you go to playback and toggle on the option play on repeat, your video will loop when you press play right here, and it will also loop when you're in present mode. However, it won't loop in preview mode right here. Now if you download this video, then please don't be surprised that your video won't loop, because this video looping feature in Canva is only for online purposes. However, if you want to have your video looped on download, the way you could get this achieved is to copy your video clip multiple times. To do that, simply left click on your video clip, then on your keyboard press Command and C if you're on a PC, or Option and C if you're on a Mac, to copy your video clip, and then to paste it press Command and V on a PC, or Option and V on a Mac. After doing that, you will then see a copy of your video clip here in the timeline. You can do this as many times as you want. So if you want to add another one, Command and V or Option and V again. Let me add a few more. And as you can see in the timeline now, we have the original clip right here, and then we have about 5 copies after that. So now when you press play right here at the bottom in your timeline, when the original video clip finishes, the first copy will start to play. And like this, you will have a loop. The same will then happen over and over again, depending on how many copies you added. And when you do it like this, when you're going to download the whole thing, by going to share in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on download, make sure that file type is set as MP4 video right here, and then just click on download here below, you will find that your video indeed loops over, in case you would like to download it as a simple video file. And that's it guys, this is how you loop a video in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.